Hello, welcome to Tech Workgroup Manager. My name's Noel Bruton. This first video explains what this channel's about and what's in it for you. So let's go. So let's look at what the Tech Workgroup Manager channel is for. Well, in terms of who it's for current or aspiring leaders of technical work groups. And what it's going to deliver is practical ideas and instruction in how those people should do their jobs well and successfully. Well, firstly, it's to improve those managers' own working day and that of their staff. It's to help you as a manager make your work group an enjoyable, stimulating and rewarding thing to be part of. It's to help improve the service your work group gives to its customers. And then, rather more philosophically, it's to add options to your career path. We need talented managers. In this industry, too often management is left to well-meaning technicians. And that can't usually work because a real manager needs a completely different philosophical approach to that of a diagnostician. That's why we need talented managers. Let's just take a second to look at the primary maxim of this channel in terms of workgroup management. It's not the usual suspects. It's not customer service or corporate loyalty, for example. They are considerations, but this channel has a rather different priority, and it's this. Focus on your staff's job satisfaction. If you can get that right, so much else will just fall into place. A few comments about the channel content in general. What it is, this content. It's practical, proven, it's workable, it's technique based, and it's usable right now because it's taken from actual live experiences in a range of industries around the world. This stuff is actually in use and we know it works. It's not committee design theory. It's not put together by so-called experts who've never actually run technical work groups. It's not a pick and mix of possible processes. It's not a take it or leave it dogma. It's more use it because it works. And it doesn't require a project team to implement it either. It just requires a skilled and determined manager and people alongside that manager who want to work for that manager. May I offer a word of congratulations? I'm not trying to blow smoke or anything, but congratulations for being here, for finding this channel, for having an interest in its content. You want to be better at running your tech work group. Not every tech leader is that way inclined or even that professional. Some of them never actually climb out of being a technician to be a manager at all, even if it says manager on their business card. So well done. You have my admiration and it is my pleasure to try and help. Let's have a look at the logo that we've chosen for Tech Workgroup Manager. You'll notice it's a series of concentric circles. That's a traditional symbol taken from African Ashanti culture. The symbol is called Adinkrahene and it means leadership and charisma. Its inspiration is from a droplet falling into water. The droplet is only a small singular thing, but that influence has much wider effects, as you would as a leader or manager. If you see the symbol in any of the videos in the channel, it usually means click for further information. The author of Tech Workgroup Manager is Noel Bruton. He's been around in IT support and other types of support for decades. Started in 1979 on mainframe communications suites, and in 1984 was asked to design a support service to look after thousands of corporate systems users. We had to start from scratch. In those days there was nothing to help us. We were pioneers. We had to build everything ourselves, including the methods, processes, roles, structure, even our own software. But it worked. We won a national award, Best Support in the UK. Once we got that, we started being visited by blue chip corporations who wanted to know more about how to build a successful IT support service. So, Bruton left and started his own consultancy in 1991, and he's been advising and training and consulting in IT support and service delivery ever since. Bruton's output includes best-selling books and other works that are required or recommended reading for both academic and commercial management qualifications in the tech industries. He's the originator of various concepts and algorithms and terminology that are reflected in mainstream IT management. You may have used one of his terms today, for example if you've used the term desktop support or escalation or first line fix. These are concepts first documented in his earlier books. All the content in this channel comes from a suite of training courses and qualifications called Mastering IT Support Delivery. So in other words, there's training for you out there to learn this content in depth, and you can find out where to get that training in the link below this video. They are certified qualifications in method and professionalism for delivering an IT support service. But they're not just for desktop support or service desk. They're for any technical work group, from service desk through desktop, AV, comms, network, EPOS, development, in fact anybody who retains technical knowledge as part of delivering a service to either systems or end users. The qualifications in MISD are career spanning. They're from somebody starting in the industry at an apprentice level, for example, right the way through to strategist and all the managerial development points in between. Here's a plea to you to help us help others like yourself. As you experience the videos here and the lessons that they provide, consider subscribing to the channel. We've a lot of ideas to share with you. We don't want you to miss one, so make sure that you click the notification button. Share, tell others, and also we're on Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn. There are places where you can follow us as well as here on this video channel.